Are we right now before a massive altcoin season? And the reason why I'm saying that is because we are looking at the Bitcoin dominance right here, and we have a rising wedge formation. And while we are actually forming this rising wedge, we have bearish divergences over on the momentum indicators, and it looks like that we could be coming down, maybe even break the support of this wedge eventually. And when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, we are seeing a lot of liquidity in the crypto space flowing to altcoins. So this is definitely looking pretty good for altcoins if we can see a continuation of the Bitcoin dominance going down. And we are going to have a look at some altcoins in today's video. But yeah, let's just have a quick look again at the Bitcoin dominance. Because what we can see right here is that since this bull market, basically, Bitcoin has been sucking up all the liquidity. And that you can see with this chart, because since September 2022, the Bitcoin dominance has just only been going up, which basically means that the liquidity in the crypto markets has been most concentrated on Bitcoin. And we haven't seen anything like this where we just see a big correction in the Bitcoin dominance. We haven't seen a move like that. So that basically means that we haven't really seen an altcoin season this whole bull market. But right now, we are definitely seeing one of the first signs that the Bitcoin dominance could turn around right here with the divergences. But also, if we look at the level that Bitcoin dominance has just touched, it has been a previous support level, which right now could be acting as resistance. And I think the further in time we are this year, because altcoin season often comes at the end of the year, the chances definitely are very much increasing that we are going to see an altcoin season. And this is not the only chart telling it. It are multiple charts telling it, some altcoin charts which we will have a look at. But guys, if you like and enjoy this content, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so. That's very important. Then we go to this chart. This is the total market cap of crypto without Bitcoin and Ethereum. What we can see right here, and I just quickly wanted to go over this, is that we also have a similar formation as with Bitcoin. We had a huge liquidation candle. This can be the start of a big rally. Often we are seeing liquidation candles before big rallies. But what we can see also on the relative strength index is that the relative strength index has been retracing to very low levels. It has been retracing to where actually the crypto market was right here. So the price is way higher and the relative strength index, the momentum indicator, is way lower. This is usually a positive sign, showing that the momentum indicator is correcting further than the price, which makes the price look bullish. Let's start with the first altcoin that is looking good, guys. This is GMX. That's a decentralized exchange. Just very basic TA. We have seen a liquidation event right here. We have seen this altcoin trading at low levels. We haven't seen this one trading in years. And when we look at the relative strength index, which is the momentum indicator, we actually get opposite signals. We have a higher low right here in the relative strength index, lower low in the price. That's called a bullish divergence. It's not only against US dollar, we also have that in this chart against Bitcoin, right? Lower low in the price, higher low in the relative strength index. So this chart is looking good against US dollar, is looking good against Bitcoin. Let's bring up some other examples. SAI, I think SAI is really good as well. Also bullish divergences, because the RSI do make higher lows. You can argue the last one. You can argue that can be a double bottom as well. But structure wise, you can see, okay, we have somewhat of a falling wedge formation, and it looks quite possible that we are going to break this falling wedge to the upside right here. Let's have a look at some other ones. SUI, this one I've shared over on Will Alerts, the private Telegram channel, which you basically can join for free by joining one of the exchanges down below, CoinW, PrimeXBT, or Bybit. You can submit your user ID over on willportal.com. We shared this altcoin as a potential. I've actually bought this altcoin. I bought it right here in these levels right before we had that liquidation event, and I bought it during that liquidation event as well. This altcoin right now in my portfolio is up since my entry after we have seen such a massive correction, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I also made a video about this. SUI against US dollar is looking very good, but it also looks very good against Bitcoin. Let me show you. So this is SUI against Bitcoin, multi-month declining resistance breaking out like this. This for me, guys, doesn't look like a bear market for Bitcoin. This for me looks like there's a lot of conviction and a lot of confidence in certain altcoins, and a breakout like this, normally this doesn't look corrective, right? This looks like a start of a massive rally that SUI can do against Bitcoin. So we have some other altcoins. So we got Optimism against Bitcoin as well. You can actually see if I draw some lines right here. So we have right here, you can see that we are exactly at the same levels we were in 2022. Similar like with a lot of other altcoins, right? You can make a sideways range from here. Then you can see that right now we are at support. There is no guarantee that this is going to go up. We have bullish divergences. Again, it looks bullish to me. Still, there is no guarantee. But if you are going to buy altcoins, if you want to invest in an altcoin like Optimism, you better do it at these levels with such a setup than when you do it, for example, when it's in the middle of this channel. Also possible, but the risk to reward picture is definitely different than what we are seeing right now. Then guys, let's go to XRP against Bitcoin. Also a chart I've been sharing, and I've been buying XRP, although I haven't been a fan from it in my historical crypto career. I haven't really been a fan of XRP. However, I really start to like this because this is just a macro structure. We have a sideways range in this macro structure, and every time we touch the support, the price goes up, and every time we touch the resistance, the price goes down. This is in the Bitcoin comparative. So this means that whenever this is going up, the price of XRP is increasing against the price of Bitcoin, right? So this basically shows that if this were to go up, it's better to hold XRP during this period than Bitcoin, because XRP is outperforming Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, this is the image that I want to communicate with you, because a lot of altcoins are just looking very bullish in US dollar terms, but also against Bitcoin. And when we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, it looks like this is a rising wedge that can break down any moment. And of course, again, there are no guarantees, but if you are looking for great setups, I would say right now is the time. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't down below. Wish you all a beautiful day and hope to see every single one of you in the next video.